this lecture, we'll be exploring ShellSort algorithm. This algorithm is named after its inventor, Donald Shell. It is basically an improvement over insertion sort, and the key concept in this algorithm is that it compares items that are distant rather than adjacent items, which is the case in insertion sort. As the algorithm loops through the data set, the distance between each item decreases until at the end the algorithm is comparing items that are adjacent. ShellSort sorts distant elements by using an increment sequence. The sequence must start with 1 but can then be incremented by any amount. A good increment to use is 3, and over here you can see that the increment, as long as it holds true, that is, it is greater than 0, in that case the logic keeps on repeating itself. So over here what we are doing is we are looping through from 0 to all the elements that we have in our collection. Then over here we have taken a variable j equal to I, so we are initializing j with the current value of I, and then we are trying to find out the value in the collection at index position I, and that is being stored in the variable temp. Then we are checking whether the value j is greater than equal to 3 or not, which is over here inc, and the value at index position j minus inc. So initially if you see 0 minus inc is minus 3, so this will not pass at all. But whenever the value will be there and the value will exist, in that case this swapping will take place, and finally we'll get a sorted list. So over here in our programs.cs file, we have just created a collection class, added random values to it, printed it, and then using the shell sort we are sorting it out. So let's run this now to see it in action. And here you can see the top list shows the unsorted list and the lower one is showing sorted list using shell sort algorithm.